So this is a fun little app I like called SketchGuru. I'm going to show you exactly how this one works. So I'm going to start with my gallery, go out and find an image. I'm just going to use this pretty flower. Now I'm going to be uploading these to Instagram, so at the bottom where I can choose my different aspect ratios, I'm choosing 1:1. Now I can move this box up and down. I can even cut in on it if I want to zoom in a little bit more. So once I'm happy with my crop, I click the check mark to apply it. And there's my image. And you can see the different types of filters across the bottom. I'm going to start with the first one, which is gouache. Gouache is a great one. It really blurs everything out, but it totally simplifies the image. So you'll see in the end result, the flower doesn't really have nearly the detail, but it's still a nice look. I like that very much. If I'm not completely happy and I want to make some adjustments, I can click this little button over here on the side and make the adjustments. Now this particular filter doesn't have a lot of adjustments. It allows me to adjust how much color, the brightness, and I can even go down there and adjust the color if I want to, make it dramatically different if I like. The next one over is Pencil Sketch, which happens to be one of my favorites. It does a really nice job of turning a photograph into a pencil sketch, and again the adjustments allow you to go in there and really control what you get. I think this looks beautiful just the way it is, but I'm going to click the adjustments, and again I can go in and increase the thickness of the line. I can increase the detail, so if I drag that middle slider to the left, I'm going to end up with a lot more white on my document, a lot more white space. If I drag it to the right, it just darkens it more. So those are some of the adjustments I can get for Pencil Sketch. Another one I really like is the watercolor filter. I really love that one. And again, the fact that you can go into the adjustments and change all of these, I think that one looks beautiful. And again, I can go in here and make some adjustments. Each filter has adjustments based on what that filter's capabilities are. Another thing I like to do is pull faces in here. So I'm going to go to Gallery, bring in a picture of me. Even though it's not a great photo, I mean it's kind of grainy, I can still go in here and apply these different filters and make adjustments to it and get some really cool effects. So I'm starting with just the basic gouache filter. Let's see what I get. It's okay. I can make some adjustments on that if I want, but check out what happens when I apply the watercolor filter to this one. I think this turns out really nice. I love that look. It flattens the image and really turns it into a beautiful piece of flattened artwork. I love it. I can also go into Pencil Sketch. Let's see what we get for a face with Pencil Sketch. Okay, so I'm not completely happy with it. I've lost a lot of detail, but I can go into the adjustments. And here I can use this middle slider to go in and add more detail to the image. So you can see that as I drag it to the right, I'm getting more detail. I can just click on the image if I want to make those adjustments go away. And when I'm happy with it, I click this button at the top right. It allows me to save out my image, and check it out, I can save it in a higher resolution. This particular image was a small, already cropped image, so I don't get the high resolution I might with others, but I absolutely will just choose the highest one there to save it out. This is a great little fun app I love, and it's called SketchGuru.